Welcome back sa another episode dito lang sa Greg Story. Ngayon, samahan nyo ako para magpaitim. So na guys, may ingay ang surroundings, may nagche-change sa kabila. Magpaitim tayo. Hindi, joke. Bibilad tayo ng palay. Kahapon nag-live ako, nagbilad kami ng 20 kavans. Yan yung 20 kavans dati. Pero ngayon is nagbilad lang ako ng 6 na kaban kasi mag-isa ko lang. And kasi yun, pang rice meal, pang pakono. Tapos yan, hindi na nakakasayang na iimbak kasi skin dry na siya. Hindi na yan mangingitim at hindi na rin yan magbabago ang amoy. Babaho ba? Tapos magkakaroon ng parang kakaibang amoy. Yan. Ngayon, 6 lang yung binilad ko para may maipakono tayo at pangkain, pangsaing. Kasi kailangan na mabilad ng maigi para tumigas yung mga butil ng palay para hindi madurog pagka pina-rice mill, pinakono. Yan. Pero ito, hindi pa pwedeng ipa-rice mill yan kasi parang magigiling lang siya, mapapowderize kasi hindi pa siya matigas. Pero yung inilatag ko na 6 na kaban is hanggang mamaya ibibilad natin ng 4 to 5 hours siguro. Pwede na yun mamaya. Hahanguin ko na lang mamaya. So yun, samahan nyo ako. Magpapababa lang tayo ng kinain and sasama ko kayo sa initan. Right, let's go.
Living life, everyday, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Fuck me, I'm looking in the mirror, so foggy, but I've never seen clearer. I don't really think anyone can save me, and honestly I'm not really sure I want saving. I like to be my own worst enemy. There's no risk if you don't try at anything, so I'ma just keep buying everything. See you in the next life, have to be a better me. I don't think that my head's on straight, gotta flip it and grip it and go and get an x-ray. What's wrong with me? I just feel weight pushing on my chest and it squeezes till I suffocate. Better change my mindset, meditate. It's pretty cool that I'm alive and have better days. I could walk, see, hear, I should celebrate. Think I could change my mind, maybe elevate. Living life, everyday, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Yeah, all I need are some better days. Cause all I want, and I pray, I believe in the better days. Kinda stuck between a rock and a hard place. Do I work hard or live at my pace? You're only young once, yeah that's all great, but I also want a future where I'm okay. Living life is doing lots of cocaine. Wait no, it's living with no shame. Wait no, it's sleeping in on Sundays. I guess it's different for each of us and that's okay. Well I just wanna be happy, how to get there? Glad that you asked me. I think it's different for everyone. Some of us need work, others need fun. Some of us need purpose to overcome. But try to do what you love when it's said and done. Cause there's so many differences in each of us. Trust your gut, it can show you what you want. Living life, everyday, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days.
Yan. Init. Kaya yung mga hindi nakakaalam, marami pang hirap na pagdadaanan bago maging kanin, bago pumunta sa ating mga hapag kainan. Ayan. So napakainit guys, no? Ng oras na alauna na, siguro hahanguin namin yan mamayang stress. or 3:30 or 4 o'clock, ganun. Basta hindi, siguro wala namang ulan. Wala namang umulan. Wala pa namang sign pero medyo maulap. Pero okay lang. Yan.
I've been dreaming on in my head like I've seen it. A life worth living is a life with meaning. I'll do what I love till my heart stops beating. I'm feeding this demon. Got a taste, can't erase bitterness in my face. Work a job every day till your dreams fade away. Like a card, never change, play the game that we say. I need a break. I'm staying strong, need to move on to be what I want. I'll keep dreaming on. I'm staying strong, need to move on to be what I want. I'll keep dreaming on. Face on when I chase like that. Yeah, I play so strong with a knife in the back. I'ma swing home run like a baseball bat. Gonna see me rise if you hate on that. I don't play both sides, doing me no cap. I'ma ride or die for my dreams on tap. I'ma fly real high, you ain't see me slack. No, it's not how you fall, it's how you get right back up. That's how you get tough. Calluses on my hands so rough, yeah, I call your bluff. I'm not the one, mess with me and come out with none. Cause I'm so done, you had your fun. And now you're gonna face down the barrel of the gun. Cause I got a full clip with your name on it. But I'ma let you slide cause you ain't worth it. I'm staying strong, need to move on to be what I want. I'll keep dreaming on. I'm staying strong, need to move on to be what I want. I'll keep dreaming on. They tell me that I'm never gonna make it. They want me to do something that could make sense. They hate when I keep dreaming I'll be famous, but I don't give a fuck, I'ma keep chasing. I got all this potential that's deep inside of me, but they hate when you're successful cause they try to be. They sit there being judgmental because you're trying things, and they just want you to settle and do the right thing. So get a good job, don't slack off. Wake up every morning, make a good impression on your boss. Don't do anything that I wouldn't do, and when you're making money, make sure you don't spend it too soon. Fuck that, I'll do what I wanna do. I got a different path from everyone and that includes you. Who are you to tell me how to live life? In these times it feels like nobody's right, yeah. So I'ma figure out what else we succeed, and then invest all of my time into that and proceed. I need whatever the hell can make me happy, and I don't think you have a clue what could that be. They tell me that I'm never gonna make it. They want me to do something that can make sense. They hate when I keep dreaming I'll be famous, but I don't give a fuck, I'ma keep chasing. They tell me that I'm never gonna make it. They want me to do something that can make sense. They hate when I keep dreaming I'll be famous, but I don't give a fuck, I'ma keep chasing. I think this life could be special if I get rid of the devils. They think that I am a rebel, I think they want me to settle. There's nobody on my level, they think that work is too stressful. I think that work is essential, the grind is all in your mental, and man. I don't think you understand what I'll go through just to be in control of my life soon. All the negativity, man, I'm immune. I don't really need a mask with all I've been through. I've been making changes for the ages. 5-10 year plans are contagious. I attack that shit, I'm tenacious. And if you ain't, get the fuck out of my way then. Got one life, I won't regret it. I will fight until I get it. I'll look back one day from heaven and say, damn, I learned some lessons. And say, damn, I have no questions. I had fun in every second, and the journey was a blessing, yeah. They tell me that I'm never gonna make it. They want me to do something that can make sense. They hate when I keep dreaming I'll be famous, but I don't give a fuck, I'ma keep chasing. They tell me that I'm never gonna make it. They want me to do something that can make sense. They hate when I keep dreaming I'll be famous, but I don't give a fuck, I'ma keep chasing.
Later.
Alright, init, butas pa yung damit ko, oh. Pupunta na pala kami papa rice mill. Hopefully may open na rice mill ngayon. Tapos lang namin nagkarga ng 10 kaban ng palay, kaya pakainit, guys. Ganito kahirap bago nagiging kanin or pwedeng isaing ang isang palay. Marami pa siyang pagdadaanan, marami pang hirap na gagawin. Hindi naman pwedeng basta na lang ipa rice mill, ipakono, kasi mapupulverize, matumok ang tawag namin sa Ilocano. Alright, let's go.
days. Bye. Bigas mo na. No. 4 days. Okay. Bye. Pwede pinagyan kaya ako yung munisipyo. Kaya ako. Kaya ako. Yung PDC, yung sakit. Yung sakit. Bagiyaw? Ano yung bagiyaw?
Ano yung bagay na eh? Nakakala eh. Manong na yun.
Oh, pre, bago na ako.